This funny-looking bird is called the sage grouse, a very unique animal that thrives in the sagebrush steppe of the western United States. They are made famous by the interesting mating ritual the males conduct. Here is a short video to show exactly how those strange yellow sacs come into play.
The Great Plains of America. An area covering nearly 100 million acres of grassland. Here, a group of males are limbering up for their show. These are sage grouse. They already have a dapper look, an eye-catching fan of tail feathers, and a glamorous ruff of chest plumage. But in this vast landscape, there seems a distinct lack of anyone to impress. Fortunately, these guys have the moves to get the party started. And these juddering moves also create a signature sound. Sage grouse make this bizarre noise by popping their brightly coloured air sacs. And the sound can carry as much as 3 kilometres. Which, considering the size of their habitat, is just what the males need to attract females to their display ground. Competition between males for the best spot is fierce. It's all about securing the most visible patch to show off their prowess. Females visit every day for up to a month and will carefully judge the variety of displays before choosing their mate.
The males do this mating ritual in areas called leks. Leks are found in areas that are flat and open, like dry lake beds, open meadows, or areas that do not have trees. The lekking can be heard and seen any time from March to May. Rangeland managers play a large role in the creation of the leks, as cattle and other livestock graze down tall grasses and invasive species. Once the female is bred, she can lay anywhere from 4 to 11 eggs, called a clutch. The hen incubates her eggs for 25 to 29 days under the cover of a sagebrush or in between bunches of grass. As the hens incubate their eggs, they are constantly threatened by predators who want to eat them. Ravens, badgers, and coyotes are just a few of the animals that like to make a snack of the sage grouse egg. Once the chicks hatch, they begin eating insects and forbs for the first 3 weeks. Then they graduate to sagebrush leaves. Adolescents and adults also eat buds, flowers, forbs, and insects, but the leaves make up their diet most of the year. During the harsh winters, the saving grace for the sage grouse is the sagebrush. This shrub provides enough nutrients for the birds to gain weight and strength so they can hide during the cold, snowy season without having to leave their cover to forage for food. If they survive the winter, the birds then have to worry about predation from other wildlife species. Eagles, owls, coyotes, and red foxes are common predators to both the adults and chicks. Besides natural predation, sage grouse also risk being taken out by man-made risks. The smallest change in their environment can result in death. Simply adding a road or power lines can have detrimental effects on the population. Oil and gas drilling have been documented to cause a decline in sage grouse populations, according to the Cornell University Ornithology Lab. The fracking industry requires a large amount of equipment, loud disruptive drilling, and a constant movement of trucks and other large vehicles through the delicate habitat. Environmentalists, ranchers, and policymakers are beginning to see the importance of this unique bird and steps are being taken to protect their habitat and populations.